Good morning, everyone. We're starting off with a lot of fog, especially right along the border between North Dakota and Minnesota, stretching all the way towards Lake Superior. 27 degrees is our temperature here in Fargo. A little bit of wind is taking that down, but still feeling into the positives. That humidity is helping to keep those temperatures a little bit warmer. We have that dense fog advisory that has been canceled a little bit to the east. We're not seeing as much fog in eastern Minnesota, but plenty of it still along the North Dakota border with Minnesota and then stretching really far to the edge of our area pretty much. That lasts until 10 a.m. That's when we'll see more and more of it start to mix out. But not long after that, we're going to have more weather from the south replacing that. Lots of rain right now in South Dakota, but you get more towards Rapid City, looking more and more at a mix and snow. That's coming up towards us, and we're going to see a pretty similar trend. Shift this over a little bit to the east. That's what our afternoon and evening are going to look like. Right now, we have a blizzard warning out for eastern North Dakota, then stretching from Clay up towards Kitson and Roseau counties in Minnesota. We've also got a winter storm watch. That one's for the eastern part of our area, stretching towards Lakes Country, a little bit up further toward the northeast to the International Falls. We're looking at more rain turning towards freezing rain and then snow overnight with the winter storm watch, whereas in the blizzard warning, we're pretty much just seeing snow throughout today, tonight, and tomorrow. But with both of these, we're going to have winds picking up towards 40 miles per hour. It's really going to cause problems with blowing snow on Thursday. To take you through this event, we're going to stay cloudy through the morning. Then towards noon, 1 o'clock, we're going to start to see the first hints of our precipitation making its way across that South Dakota border. Lakes Country is going to get plenty of rain through the day, and we're going to see snow starting, especially in the mid-afternoon in southeast North Dakota. It's not really going to stop until afternoon on Thursday. We're going to keep on pushing up. Fargo looking at rain at around 4 or 5 o'clock. That turns towards freezing rain later on, and it's right on the edge of where we're seeing that snow and rain. I think it's going to stay the snow is going to stay a little bit further to the west, so we're going to get rain through the evening and then see more and more snow overnight. That's going to keep on pushing up towards Devil's Lake, stretching into northwest Minnesota, with lots of warmer temperatures leading the way for rain continuing on through tonight in Minnesota. That snow is going to be the dominant feature overnight, though, because temperatures are going to cool out there, and the snow is going to keep on moving from west to east. Plenty of accumulation through the early morning hours on Thursday. Still some as you get towards about 9-10 in the morning in North Dakota. Doesn't wrap up until almost 2 o'clock. In Minnesota, still seeing snow all throughout the afternoon. It's around 5-6 o'clock that we finally see it take a break, and we still stay pretty cloudy through Thursday night. Snow accumulations are going to build this afternoon towards about 3-4 inches already towards Gwinner and Oaks. Then stay a little bit lighter as you get towards the northwest. Mostly just rain through today and a lot of tonight in Lakes Country. Then we're going to see more 4-5 inch accumulations, with that heaviest amount getting towards Valley City, Jamestown, stretching up towards Grand Forks through this event, and including Logan, Lemoore, Dickey County. Now, Fargo is about in the 6 to 10 inch range. I'm thinking around 7 to 8 inches with what we're getting right now. If we do see this shift over a little further towards the east, though, could get up towards 10, but I'm thinking that's unlikely with how the system looks right now. Winds are going to pick up a whole lot today in North Dakota, up towards 20-25 miles per hour through this afternoon. It's going to keep on going through tonight, 30, 35, 40 mile per hour winds for Thursday. It's not really until Friday morning that we see them back between even 10 and 20 miles per hour. We have temperatures a little bit cooler than yesterday, with 32 as our high in Carrington, 34 out in Grand Forks, and 36 in Bagley. Really windy west, but since winds have to change from south this morning to the northeast later on, we're going to see them pretty calm in Minnesota. Lots of rain later on today, between 0.5 and 1.5 inches for most of Lakes Country. 36 is our high in Fergus Falls, 35 out in Moorhead, and 34 in Fargo. We're going to see most of our heavy snow, especially to the west towards Ellendale and Jamestown, then keeping on towards the northeast to Grand Forks. Tonight, we're going to see those winds pick up and temperatures getting similar to what we saw for lows tonight. 17 in Jamestown, 23 in Fargo, 27 out in Detroit Lakes. On the KVRR Weather Authority 7-day forecast, we're going to cool down a little bit tomorrow. That wind will pick up. We keep on seeing snow. We're down into the 20s Friday and Saturday, and as next week rolls along, we are back into the mid-30s.